Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Today we are seeing how much of an improvement simple mods like an exhaust and reeds can do to a PW80 or any two-stroke pit bike. We are about to build this thing, but I wanted to do the performance stuff for a separate video to see how much more top speed we can get. Alright, we're gonna start with the easiest thing first, which is just the exhaust. I did just get a slip-on. I didn't get the actual pipe. Let's grab a breaker bar. Slide this guy on right there, and then let's bolt it on. Okay, so you can for sure see the difference. It looks better. The stock one is a little bit longer. And I'll throw up a clip here soon of what this sounds like. It's not gonna be of idle unless I can find one of idle. But let's go ahead and do a cold start. This thing has not been started. It's like 8 a.m. and I wanna hear what this thing's gonna sound like. Turn the gas on. You already know the drill. One kick, no choke. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this exhaust, it sounds the same, but it's a lot more raspy whenever you're on the throttle. So I think it sounds pretty good. Next thing we were doing is the reeds. I've never done reeds before, so I'm kind of worried about messing it up, but you just gotta take the carburetor off and the reed cage off, throw these in, and hope it works. Alright, I'm freaking stumped, guys. I got these two bolts out in the front for the rear cage, but I can't get these two in the back. So I'm gonna look up a video, but I have to put this on hold because I'm about to go to Thanksgiving dinner. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. Alright, finally got the rear cage off. Had to get the welder out. Let's go ahead, pull these stock reeds out. Actually, what I'm gonna do first is kind of blow this out with compressed air. Okay, so I've never changed reeds before, but they kind of seem self-explanatory for the most part. Take these 3 Phillips heads out for what I believe are called something along the lines of like the reed stoppers, I guess. Because I know that these reeds open up, and that's kind of, that's like how they work. So take these 3 screws off. There's that. And then there's this. And then I think that just bolts back on. Let's grab a razor blade, open these new. Okay, I just looked up a video, and how I had it was the right way. So that goes there. This goes on top, then this guy, and then this bracket goes there. So what I'm gonna do, go there. It's like Lego set, pretty much. And this guy can go on there. And then this guy can go on there. And then it all can screw right onto here. And let's get these other screws started. There's that one. And then there is that one. Go ahead, snug these down. I'm not gonna torque these, but I am gonna make sure that they aren't gonna fall off. Okay, so set the reeds back right there. Grab the top of the reed cage. I'm gonna kind of take this dirt off around here real quick. Okay, this reed cage is cleaner. Set that in there. Then start these screws. There's one, there's two, there's three, there's four. Okay, and now that we have those guys tightened, I can go ahead and work on putting the carburetor back in. Okay, we are outside now, and as dark as it is, we're gonna see if I did these reeds right. Holy crap, that woke it up! Okay, I for sure think the reeds were going out because it is idling perfect now and it sounds so good. Definitely got a foul plug in her, but she is running so good right now. Alrighty, ladies and gents, it is a new day. We got the PW here. It is bright out, and it is also like -2 out. We're gonna go ahead, break in these reeds if it hasn't already, because I did idle this thing for a while the other night. And we're gonna do a top speed run, see if the reeds and exhaust made a bit of a difference, and just kind of have fun, see like if it's torquier, and just have a good time. So we're gonna bring her outside and gas on. She won't want choke, you know, she's a P-dub, no choke, no throttle. Some light, bro, she's a Yamaha, she always starts. All right, well, let's see here. Oh, it's been a while since I've wheelied. gonna take this glove off. That normally helps it out. Lets me get a better grip on the throttle. That was okay. Alrighty, so now we're gonna head to a place where we can do a top speed run on even flat ground. So I'll go ahead and pick us back up once we get there. Alright, got my speed app pulled up. We're on our long, narrow stretch of road. Let's hit this top speed, bro. Third gear. Okay, we hit 32. So I paid $200 for 2 more mile per hour as opposed to if I were to just take off the airbox and take out the muffler. So let's go ahead and just dick around in here for a little bit, I guess. Oh, this bald back tire is killing me. Let's get a little run up at this. Oh, we made her. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, head home because it is freezing out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the P-Dub with the exhaust and the reeds. Subscribe to the second channel. I post daily YouTube shorts over there and occasional long form content. Follow me on Instagram for notifications when I upload and channel updates. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel because I post videos every Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. AKST. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching and have a good one.